Would you like to know how I design a coloring book? Hi, my name is Jennifer Stay. I'm an artist from Coloring Bliss, and I just released a brand new coloring book, and I cannot wait to share it with you. Actually, it's a swatching book, and actually it's 3 volumes of swatching books, and I've been working for months on this. And I thought you might like to have a little glimpse behind the life of an artist. What do I do to design a coloring book? What is all of this behind me? Upstairs is my art studio. Downstairs is the print shop where the books are being printed right now. If you'd like to see an actual tour of my art studio and all my spaces, check out the links in the video description where you can see the tour of my art studio. Now, what I wanted to do with you in this little video is show you how I designed my latest book. It's a 20-page book. You can see all the pages here. I'm going to pan across real quick. This is actually my entertainment center where my TV is, and I've been sitting here staring at these pages for the last, maybe 2 months. As the pages have been designed, we keep putting them up here on the wall so I can sit here and stare at them. It's a great way for me to look at them and make sure I really like them, kind of live with them for a few weeks and make sure I feel like the lines look beautiful. Do the pages look harmonious together? Harmonious. Make sure I like how they feel. Make sure I have a good variety of pages for you. So this is kind of the main area where I pull the book together. But how did this even begin? Let me show you my notebook where my husband and I, my partner, came up with the main idea of these books. Okay, so this is my special journal notebook that I have made where I keep all the notes from all the different projects and things that I'm working on with Steve here at Coloring Bliss. It's just an old composition book that I put a cover on, and I decorate with washi tape and use all kinds of gel pens and stuff to make it fancy. So what we did when Steve and I came up with the idea for the Swatch book series is I made a special page in here with lots of different notes and ideas, and we went through and put down all of our ideas. For instance, right here I put down that the Swatch book should share my love for swatching with other colorists and artists through my books. Over here were a whole bunch of page ideas, like we were just brainstorming all the different ideas of what I wanted for volume 3, like pillows, purses, houses, cars, sports, books, feathers. A lot of these ideas didn't make it into the book. Maybe we need a volume 4. What do you think? Comment below. Anyway, that's what this is over here. Over here we were talking about things like how do we want the book bound? What kind of paper would they want? This page kind of built over several days worth of work. And then as the books finally came into being, what we actually wanted, the final ideas were written down. Back over here is where we've been making notes about how we wanted to market it. So this kind of book here has been very valuable for us for multiple projects, and there's a lot of secrets and things to come in here. So make sure you subscribe and hit like so that you don't miss out on anything that's to come. Okay, we're back down here in the family room, living room, and check out who's sitting here on my lap. Yep, it's the famous Rose, my little Maltese dog. She's my art companion, whether I'm upstairs in my art studio or sitting right here where I do the bulk of my drawing. She's my little companion, hanging out on my aching legs, taking care of me. She's so cute. Anyway, this is where I like to sit and do the bulk of my drawing. It's really comfortable for me and keeps my feet elevated, and I get to binge watch TV while I'm doing my drawing. I do most of my drawing now on my iPad. I have an iPad, Steve, it's an iPad Pro, right? And it's a 12.9 inch, the big boy. He is awesome. I love it. And I use the Apple Pencil, which I'm trying out this cute little pink case right now. Rosie's like, what is it? Yeah, the Apple Pencil, which I love this combination, and I'm using the Procreate app. It's so fantastic. I'm going to show you how I use it upstairs in my studio where the lighting is just right. So let's go back up to the studio and I'll show that to you. Okay, we're up here in my studio now. I wanted to show you how Procreate works on my iPad real quick so you can see where I do all my drawings. Okay, so this is my iPad right here, And we'll turn it on. Aw, cute family picture. This is Procreate, the app that I prefer to draw in. So we open it up, and these are all of the pages that I drew for volume 3 of the Swatch Bliss book right here. So if I pull this one open, you can see, I think this was the first page we did here in the Swatch Bliss book. So then I would be able to just do all my drawing right here with the Apple Pencil in this app. It is fantastic. If you would like me to do kind of a review or a walkthrough of how I use Procreate and my iPad, just comment below. I would love to do that for you guys sometime soon. Me and Rose will show you how it works. Okay, we're downstairs in the top secret Coloring Bliss print shop now, and I'm not going to pan over because this is where all the magic happens. Oh, hey, get your camera back over here. I've got our working elves over here. Oh, he is going to pan over. We're down here working really hard on the first, well, actually the first 2 waves of orders. Thank you so much for all the support. I wanted to show you what the books look like. Here's Swatch Bliss Volume 1. I did a live release of these videos on Wednesday. I'll put the link in the video description so you can check out all the details of these books. This is Volume 1. This is Volume 2. And this one here is the one you saw me showing all of the previews of the pages for upstairs on the cupboard or the entertainment center. Volume 3, the one that it took me weeks to draw all the art and all the brainstorming went into. Right here, Volume 3. Can't wait for you to get one of these books. They're made out of my gorgeous paper that I have picked just for you and custom printed just for you down here in our print shop. Thanks for watching this. Put any questions down below. I'd love to answer them for you. And if there's something I didn't describe for you the way you were hoping for me to describe, put it below. I'd love to make a follow-up video. And I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everybody.